Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Genshin Impact account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page of Genshin Impact. Once you end up in the official web page of Genshin Impact, click on the official site button at the top right. This will now take you to this page from where you can click on this login button at the top right. Now, you'll need to type in your email address followed by your password in order to log into your Genshin Impact account. But if you don't remember your password, click on this Forgot Password link beneath the login button in order to reset your password. Now, type in your username or your email address on the next page. Make sure that you type in the correct one and click the next button. On the next page, you'll need to type in the verification code sent to your email address. Simply go ahead and click the send button. In order to receive the verification code, complete the CAPTCHA that has been asked to you along the process, and after you are done, you will receive a verification code on your email address. Simply open it up and open up the email from MiHoYo. Copy the code that you received and paste it into the verification code text box and click continue. Then after you do that, you'll get to choose a new password for your account. Type in the new password you'd like to reset to and confirm the password by retyping it again on the next build. Finally, click on the confirm button in order to reset your password. Now, whenever you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password you recently reset it to and click login to access back to your account. That is how you'll be able to recover your Genshin Impact account if you've forgotten your password. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.